In this video, I'll demonstrate how to stitch your hand lettering or cursive. Start by writing out your word or phrase onto your fabric. Choose a stitch that follows a curve well. A few of your choices include back, stem, outline, and chain. In this example, I'm using split backstitch. Regardless of the stitch you use, you'll want to keep the distance between your stitches shorter for tighter curves. For example, you're about to see my stitches get shorter as I get to the top of this letter, which has a tighter curve than at the bottom of the letter. As you stitch, you're following the same motions that you made to initially write the letter. For example, you can see here that I'm stitching over that first line of stitching. I'm doing this because that's how I wrote this letter. To review, here are my 3 key tips for stitching lettering. 1. Choose a stitch that follows a curve well. There are so many options for you to choose from, including back, stem, outline, chain, and split back stitches. I'm using split back stitch here. 2. Adjust the length of your stitches depending on how tight your curves are. It's easier to follow a tighter curve with shorter stitches. And 3. Stitch like you write. If when you're writing you overlap a line, that means you'll do the same thing while you're stitching. This is the best way to ensure that your final product looks like actual writing. All that said, there are no rules in hand embroidery, only preferences. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you in terms of helping you figure out what your embroidery preferences might be.